Ola Electric has announced a major milestone in India's electric mobility journey by scaling up deliveries of its 4680 Bharat Cell-powered S1 Pro Plus scooters. Deliveries have now commenced across Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana and Karnataka, including key cities like Coimbatore, Kochi, Hyderabad and Bengaluru. The S1 Pro Plus with a 5.2 kWh battery is the first electric scooter powered by Ola Electric's indigenously manufactured 4680 Bharat Cell. This innovation delivers an impressive IDC range of up to 320 kilometers, setting a new benchmark in the EV segment. With in-house manufacturing of both battery cells and battery packs, Ola Electric has become India's first company to fully own the entire battery production process. This marks a significant step towards a fully integrated electric vehicle ecosystem in the country. Powered by a 13 kilowatt motor, the S1 Pro Plus accelerates from 0 to 40 km per hour in just 2.1 seconds. The scooter also offers 4 riding modes, enhanced comfort, dual apps, and advanced safety features. With strong customer demand and expanding deliveries, Ola Electric is now gearing up for a nationwide rollout, reinforcing its vision of world-class EV technology made in India.